scared and she'll run away. Okay?
It's not possible.
And it's not so bad also, but
Simran!
thank you so much, Jeddah, for
Wow, she looks so beautiful.
love you too.
Yeah!
Right back at you. It's the first time that I've come to Jeddah, and I have to say that this welcome is amazing. Thank you so much.
And we made this film 27 years ago when we were extremely young. We didn't have our children. And
No,
the
I
beauty
didn't.
of this film is that because it was made with so much innocence, whether the director, the producer, everybody, none of us knew that we are making a film which will be watched 27 years later also. There are very moments, बहुत सारे ऐसा वक्त आता है जब मैं काजोल से पूछता हूँ, did you ever think the film will